Welcome back, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and today I am back with an exciting new series announcement. I hope you'll stick around and find out all about it. If you have been around my channel long, you know that I like quick and easy cards, and I also like to kind of mass produce them or make as many as I can. Well, I used to run an online magazine or an e-zine called SheetLoad of Cards. I ended it almost 10 years ago, I think, but I decided that I would bring it back in video form. So starting with this month, I plan on coming back here each month and sharing a new issue of SheetLoad of Cards with you. Each month, subscribers to my channel will have free access to my 2 JPEG files that you can either view on screen or print off that will help you create usually anywhere from about 8 to 12 cards. The first file will show you the sketch for the month. It will tell you what supplies you need, how many cards you're going to get, the dimensions of the sketch in case you just want to make a single card, and also ideas for alternatives or how to use the sketch in other ways. And the second file will give you a visual representation of the cardstocks you need, the pattern papers, and cutting guides so you can get a sheet load of cards. I am so excited to come back later this week to share with you the first set of cards that I will be creating using the June 2019 SheetLoad of Cards files. I hope this little announcement has got you excited about SheetLoad of Cards too. If you're not already a subscriber and you would like to have free access to the files when I make them available, please make sure to hit the subscribe button below and click on that bell for notifications. If you're already a subscriber, you are all set to go when I come back later this week. I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.